Good day, everyone. Today we will share with you one of the most famous Philippine creation myths. This is the story of Malakas and Maganda, which tells how the first man and woman come to be. In the beginning, the world was nothing but the wide sky above, an endless sea below. For a long time, there was nothing else, until one day, the sky and sea crashed in a powerful storm. After the storm, bamboo plants grew along the shore.
One day, a large bamboo struck by a bird. The bamboo crack opened, and from inside came a man and a woman. The man, named Malakas, that it means strong, and the woman was named Maganda, it means beautiful. They became the very first people on the earth. Malakas and Maganda started a family and the children across the different islands of the Philippines. From them, the different groups of Filipinos were born. This myth explains how our ancestors believed people first came to live in the islands. This story carries important cultural values. Malakas represents strength, while Maganda represents beauty, not only in appearance but also in character. Together, they symbolize the balance of qualities needed in a family and a community. It reminds of us of unity, resilience, and a shared beginnings of the Filipino people.
The myth of Malakas and Maganda is more than just a story of creation. It reflects the Filipino identity, our respect for the family, and values that bind us together as one nation. Thank you for listening.